Hey, Conor here, and welcome to Neversink Gardening Basics. And today I'm going to show you how I pot up. You do these like that. What potting up is that you're just starting your plants in a smaller pot, and then you're potting them onto something bigger. And for peppers, because they take so long in the ground, we want to pot them up and get a nice big plant, get them really going, so that when we get them into the garden, we don't have to wait until, fall to get peppers. So I always pot them onto a 4-inch pot. And here's the little seedlings. And what you can do is you can just squeeze them out of the pot on these cheap pots and try to get as much soil with it as possible. But you don't want to touch the plant, right? You want to leave him alone, right? And then just push him into the pot and you're done. And he's going to be perfectly fine. What you don't want to do is you don't want to pull them out like that, right? That's going to kill them, right, when they're that tiny, right? You want to squeeze them, right? Get as much soil as you can, okay? Place them into the pot and just push the soil in, then you're all done. You can see this one I did just a couple of days ago. You see, he's already starting to get a little bigger. You're going to notice that once you pot things on, they immediately have a growth spurt, which is why you don't want to wait too long for them to be in here, because once they get to a certain size, they stop, they've used up all the nutrients, they've become root bound, and when you pot them on, they're actually going to pause for a bit before they start growing again. For my tomatoes, I pot for the garden, I pot them onto a nice big pot, because I really want to get tomatoes as early as I can from the garden. Just a couple of good tips when you're doing it is, get your soil wet first so that you don't have to water them too heavy after you've potted them on. And another thing is, a little trick is you could put 2 seeds in a pot just in case you're worried about germination, but try to keep them a little separate so that when you do pinch one out, you're not hurting the other one. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to pinch one out and then grab the other one that's left over and just choose the stronger one. All right, so thanks for watching, and to see more videos, please subscribe. Until next time.